Hello students, welcome back to studies. We will solve some problems under simple equations and the problems are taken from the mathematics textbook for class 7 by NCERT. In this video, we will see how to solve the equations. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Now remember, whenever there is plus, you will have to write minus. Whenever there is minus, you have to write plus. Whenever there is multiplication, you need to divide. Whenever there is divide, you need to multiply. Please remember these things. Okay? If you remember this, it will be much more easier to solve the problems under simple equations. So now they have given what? X minus 1 is equal to 0. Now what is there? Minus 1 is there, right? What did I say? If there is minus, you have to add. Okay, so what's the first step? The given equation x minus 1 is equal to 0. In order to see to it that on the left hand side, this is the left hand side of the equation and this is the right hand side of the equation. We have to solve the equation in such a way that on the left hand side, there should only be the unknown quantity. Okay, only the unknown letter has to be there on the left hand side. Now what you need to do is, if there is minus 1, you need to add 1 plus 1, and when you're adding, you have to add it to both the sides. So let me repeat. The given equation is x minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the first step we have to do? Add plus 1 to both the sides. Both the sides is the right hand side as well as the left hand side of the equation. So add plus 1 to both the sides. Both the sides of the equation. So on the left hand side you have x minus 1. You have to add plus 1. On the right hand side you have 0. You add 1. Okay. Now whatever number is there over here, the same number should be taken. If it is x minus 2, then you will add plus 2 on both the sides. Okay. If it is x plus 1, then you will take minus 1 on both the sides. Change the sign. If it is plus, change it to minus. If it is minus, change it to plus. If it is multiplication, then divide. If it is divide, then multiply it. And the same number has to be written. So minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. So x is equal to 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is how we are going to solve the equation stepwise. Okay. Let's solve the second problem. So what's given over here? X plus 1 is equal to 0. So what's the step? Plus 1 is there. So what you have to do? Subtract 1 from both the sides. Both the sides of the equation. So x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. So x is equal to 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Okay. So here in this problem, x minus 1 is equal to 5 is given. So what you need to do? Minus 1 is there. On the left hand side, you have the unknown quantity x, okay, and minus 1 is there. So what you have to do? Add 1 to both the sides of the equation. Okay, so this will be x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 is already there. You have to add 1. So minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. So x is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. Similarly, in this problem, x plus 6 is equal to 2. Plus 6 is there. You have to see to it that you have only the unknown variable on the left hand side over here. So plus 6 is there. So what will you do? Minus. Subtract 6 from both the sides of the equation. So if you're subtracting 6 from both the sides of the equation, what will be the equation? X plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 6. So plus 6 and minus 6 gets cancelled. X is equal to, so what we have over here, plus 2 and minus 6. When there are different signs, put the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 6, its sign is minus, and then subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. So x is equal to minus 4. Here y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. So unknown quantity is y over here, correct? And then you have minus 4. So what you have to do? So add 4 to both the sides. When you're adding 4, so y minus 4 is already there. You add 4 is equal to minus 7 and add 4 to both the sides of the equation. Minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. Y is equal to, so you have minus 7 and plus 4. Two different signs, put the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 7, its sign is minus, and then subtract. 7 minus 4 is minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3. Coming to this problem, y minus 4 is equal to 4. So unknown quantity is y, and here on the left hand side you have minus 4, right? So what will you do? Add 4 to both the sides. Both the sides of the equation. So y minus 4 plus 4 is equal to, 4 is already there, this one, plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled. So y is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8. So y is equal to 8. Likewise, y plus 4 is equal to 4. Unknown number is y, and then you have plus 4. When you have plus 4, what will you do? You will subtract. So subtract 4 from both the sides. So now the equation will be y plus 4. The whatever is there you're going to write y plus 4 and then subtract 4. Next is equal to sign. 4 is already there. Deduct 4. Plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled. Y is equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. So y is equal to 0. Over here, y plus 4 is equal to minus 4. So unknown number is y. On its side you have plus 4. That means to say you have to subtract 4 from both the sides. Both the sides of the equation. So y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to, you already have minus 4 over here, and then again minus 4. So plus 4 and minus 4 gets cancelled. Y is equal to minus 4 minus 4. Same signs, put the same sign and add. 4 plus 4 is 8. So y is equal to minus 8. Okay. 3L is equal to 42. Now 3L is nothing but 3 into L is equal to 42. What did I say? If plus is there, you change the sign to minus. If minus is there, you change the sign to plus. If multiplication is there, you have to change it to divide. And if divide is there, then you have to change it to multiplication. Here multiplication is there, right? So you have to divide. So what will you do? And L is there, unknown quantity is over here. So what are you going to do? Divide both the sides by 3. 3 is there, so the same number you will take. So here it will be 3L divided by 3 is equal to 42 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are. So what remains here? L is equal to how much is 3 divided by 42? 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 4. 3 fours are 12. Okay, so L is equal to fine. Now here B divided by 2 is equal to 6. Now divide is there, right? B is over here, unknown quantity is on the left hand side. Divide by 2 is there. If it is divide, then you have to change it to multiplication. So what is the first step that you're going to do in order to solve this equation? Multiply both the sides of the equation by 2. So B divided by 2 into 2 is equal to 6 into 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So B remains is equal to 6 twos are 12. Okay. Over here P divided by 7 is equal to 4. So divide is there. So what will you do? Multiply. Multiply both the sides of the equation by 7. So you already have P divided by 7 into 7 is equal to 4 into 7. 7 gets cancelled. What remains is P is equal to 7. 4 sevens are 28. Next is 4x is equal to 25. 4x is nothing but 4 into x is equal to 25. So this unknown number is over here x and its multiplication. So what are you going to do? Divide both the sides by 4. So 4 into x divided by 4 is equal to 25 divided by 4. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. X is equal to 25 divided by 4. Moving to the next problem. 8y is equal to 36. Again 8y is nothing but 8 into y is equal to 36. Multiplication is there. As such, what is the step you will do? Divide both the sides by 8. So 8y divided by 8 is equal to 36 divided by 8. 8 and 8 gets cancelled. Y is equal to 36 divided by 8. We can simplify this. 4 2s are 8. 4 9s are 36. So y is equal to 9 by 2. You can keep it as it is. So either it is y is equal to 36 by 8, or you can simplify it and write y is equal to 9 by 2. Over here z divided by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. This is given. Where is the unknown? Unknown is z and it is on the left hand side. Okay, divide by 3. So what's the first step that you're going to do? You're going to multiply both the sides by 3. Okay, so z divided by 3 into 3 is equal to 5 divided by 4 into 3, and 3 gets cancelled. Z is equal to 5 3s are 15 divided by, remember into 3 means if nothing is there, it is 3 by 1, right? So 5 3s are 15, 4 1s are 4. So Z is equal to 15 by 4. The next one is A divided by 5 is equal to 7 divided by 15. Unknown number is A and it is divided by 5. As such, divide. So what you will do, the first step of simplifying this equation is to multiply both the sides by 5. So A divided by 5 into 5 is equal to 7 divided by 15 into 5. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So what remains is A. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So 7 ones are 7 divided by 3. A is equal to 7 divided by 3. So the next one is 20t is equal to minus 10. 20t is 20 into t is equal to minus 10. So if it is multiplication, what will you do? Divide. Divide both the sides of the equation by 20. So this will be 20 into t divided by 20 is equal to minus 10 divided by 20. 20 gets cancelled. What remains is t is equal to minus divided by plus will be minus 10 ones are 10 twos are. So 1 divided by 2. So either you can keep it as it is, t is equal to minus 10 divided by 20, or t is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here the equation given is 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. So first we have to remove plus 7. If you want to remove plus 7, what will you do? Subtract. First step is subtract both the sides by 7. So this will be 5m plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 17 minus 7. Plus 7 minus 7 gets cancelled. So what remains? 5m is equal to 17 minus 7 is 10. Still we have not solved the equation for m because we have 5m. Now 5m is 5 into m is equal to 10. Multiplication, as such, divide both the sides by 5. This will be 5 into m divided by 5 is equal to 10 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So m is equal to 5 ones are 5 twos are. As such, m is equal to 2. Solving this problem, 20p divided by 3 is equal to 40. So first we need to remove 3. So what's the first step? Step 1 is, this is divide, right? So multiply both the sides by 3. This will be 20p divided by 3 into 3 is equal to 40 into 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So 20p is equal to 43 is a 3 zeros are 0, 3 fours are 12. Right? Now you have 20p is equal to 120. So what will be the second step? Second step will be 20p is 20 into P. Correct? 20 into P is equal to 120. If it is multiplication, you have to divide. Divide both the sides by 20. So this will be 20 into P divided by 20 is equal to 120 divided by 20. 20 and 20 gets cancelled. What remains is P. P is equal to 21s are 26. So P is equal to 6. How will you do 120 divided by 20? So 120 divided by 20 is 0 and 0 cancels. 2 ones are 2, 6. Okay. That's how you're going to simplify. Coming to this problem, 3P divided by 10 is equal to 6. So the first step will be, step 1 will be multiply both the sides by 10. So this will be 3P divided by 10 into 10 is equal to 60 into 10. 10 and 10 gets cancelled. What remains is 3P is equal to 6 into 10 is 60. So what is step 2 now? 3P is 3 into P. So into means you have to divide. Divide both the sides by 3. So 3P divided by 3 is equal to 60 divided by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6, 20. So P is equal to 20. That's all in this video, students. See you all in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.